Propane weighs 1.5% heavier than air, so it's going to drop before it rises.
Okay.
In the event that goes off, your process of elimination, make sure your stove burners are off.
Okay.
Make sure your oven is off. Go to your panel and check your battery. If your battery's losing voltage, that's going to go off. It's hardwired. It's not battery operated like your smoke detector right here. So that's wired to your battery up front. This is running off a 9-volt battery.
Gotcha.
Okay.
So keep that in mind.
So check our battery. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So this will go off not because it smells carbon dioxide, but because it doesn't have battery.
Exactly.
Okay.
So if your battery's losing voltage, that's
That's a
another
good indicator, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm literally just putting it right here and turning your spark. I'm gonna leave it running. Your pilot for your oven is back there in the back. The line that it travels through to actually reach the coupler is real thin. I'm looking at the reflection off of here.
Okay.
Now, the easiest way if it's air in the line, the easiest way to bleed your lines is to run your stove burners.
And burn off the excess. Right?
Yes, sir. It's lit now. I'm looking at the reflection.
Yeah, okay.
So on the knob is where you adjust your temperature. As you adjust your temperature, there's your flame.
Cool.
I see it, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So, once again, because I know you're recording, LP detector goes off. Make sure your stove burners are off. Make sure your oven's off. Check your battery.
Gotcha.
And this is this.
This is just your sparkler. So
Like
it
a
don't matter
sparkler.
where this is sitting at, because as long as these are not turned, this will not light.
And okay.
Right here, fuses and breakers. This is everything off of 110. This is everything off of 12 volt. So everything is labeled for you.
Okay.
This plexiglass is on here. If one of those fuses pop, an LED light's going to light up right beside it, letting you know which one you need to replace. That way you're not trying to check them all. Refrigerators, just like being at home. The minute you disconnect from shore power, this is going to run off the battery. So there's an inverter hidden on here. And what that inverter does, it takes from your battery and converts it into 110 to keep this powered while you're going down the road. That brings me to the point of why I told you to take everything out of that refrigerator and
Put it here.
Yeah.
AC units right here. So every time you touch it, it's going to light up. And then this is your mode button. So it'll go cool, low. Then it'll put it on auto where the fan doesn't just keep going, it'll cycle. And you have your heat, that's your propane, that's your furnace. Then you have off. And you have your fan. And then I just turned the AC on.
Okay.
Up and down to read your temperature. Now, if you see that reading Celsius, just press this button and hold it, it'll switch back over to Fahrenheit for you.
Gotcha.
Master 110 outlet, GFI resettable. If the outlet's not working, check that first.
Okay.
The shower head, on and off once you get your water temperature set. If you're going off your fresh tank and need to conserve water, that's how you do it. On your toilet, you're gonna barely press on the pedestal to put water in it so you can use it,
Okay.
all the way down to flush it.
Okay.
And when you flush it, it's always gonna put a little bit of water back in there because of the seal.
So you push. You set. You before you go. You press.
Halfway to fill, yeah. So
Okay.
Yes.